Hello friends, let's fill in the blank using come and go. I'll come there, I'll go there. Both the options are correct. Here there indicates at the meeting, at a meeting. Okay. I'll come there would be correct in two situations. If I'm talking to my friend on phone and he is already there, he is already at the meeting. Okay. And I say, okay, you are there. I'll come there. I'll come to the meeting soon. Here, there is correct. And the other situation is when my friend is sitting by my side or he is somewhere else but not at the meeting and he says he'll go there. And then I say, okay, you go there and I'll come there later. Okay. And when I reach there, he will be there. He will be present there. Now let's understand when go is the correct one. Okay. I'll go there. There are two situations. When my friend whom I'm talking to is not at the meeting at the time of speaking, and the second situation is in which my friend will go there and come back, and then I'll go there. Means when I reach there, he won't be there. And if the video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.